Creating a valuable business is a real-time challenge with every entrepreneur in the business world today. What they need is to keep their stakeholders' trust intact into their business, to go a long ways. So, the question is, what exactly the stakeholder looks for in a business, to stay connected, and keep investing with? The obvious answer is, assets. Assets are the base on which stakeholder knows the optimal return a business is able to generate for them in near future. That's the reason each and every company needs to track and manage assets in the best of their manners. Each and every business today, whether it's manufacturing, educational institute, hospitals, hotels and restaurants etc., are looking to manage their assets with effortless effectiveness. They always look around a solution that provides the easiest and handy tool to manage their assets, and that's what TeroTAM is offering. A total asset management software that helps to perform every single asset management task in just a click easy way. TeroTAM's asset management software is developed with the vision to cater the data in a structured way, when and where needed. The whole idea behind the software is to create a smooth experience for asset management and tracking, with the features like paperless records with cloud-based infrastructure, real-time communication and tracking, real-time complaint generation and tracking, one-touch mobile support, digital signature authority and cloud-based EMP tracking. TeroTAM becomes the one-stop solution for all asset management needs. But what makes it more special is the QR code feature within it. With just scanning of a QR code, you can track the assets, check the asset level and stock in business, generate ticket or complaint, track the complaint remotely with TeroTAM's super easy cloud-based platform. At TeroTAM, we know what all you need for an effective and efficient asset management, and that's we have brought for you with our total asset management software. To know more, schedule a demo with our team of experts now. And get started today.